Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas, and I just want to let you see a few products I got from the range while I was there. Yes, you've seen these sticks, cleaning sticks for your plug holes. I also got the boat. I don't know whether you've seen from the video, but they had these lovely boats, $7.99, and that's really all I got from the range while I was at the store. But I did do an online shop at the range, and my delivery has come, and I want to show you that in this video because I really did get some lovely vintage cleaning products, and yeah, I just can't wait to get it open and show you what I got. So here is the box. It's a very large box. I saw some lovely aesthetically pleasing vintage cleaning products, not like things like sprays or anything, but actual like some brooms and mops, and I just wanted a whole new range. I loved like farmhouse style ones, but something with a bit of vintage look to it as well. I didn't see them actually in the store, but I actually saw them online. So let's get this box open so I can show you what I got. I don't know if they're still selling these. At the time when I purchased them online, they were actually having a sale, so I did get these in the sale prices. So you can see that everything in there at the bottom of that box. Let me get it all out and then I can show you exactly all of the items that I got. But you can see the kind of wood that I was telling you about. Yeah, it's very, I don't know, I just like it anyway. I always go for plastic, but they had these, and this is Sanctuary long hand dust broom, a mop one I've got as well. This is the broom head. I just think it looks really, really nice. So yes, I'm very, very pleased. I can't wait to put it all out and then show you everything that I got. I also got a few cleaning bits as well from Amazon, which I will show in this video as well, because I just think it is a cleaning video, and also what I got from the range. So here it is all out on the floor so you can see it a little bit better. I bought the actual, when you get one product, then they put a link down to show you other things that are in the similar range, and I thought, it was cheap enough, and I looked at it all and I thought, what, it'd be nice to have the duster, the dustpan and brush, the actual mop head brush as well. So that's nice. And I actually bought two brushes just in case something was to happen to one of them. It'd just be nice because, like I said, they're in the sale. Don't know whether they'll have them again. So if I bought two now at that price, then at least then I've got them, the spare one there. So I really like them. I don't know what you think about them, but I think they look really nice. I just need somewhere, a place to find in the kitchen where I can actually put them out, because I like them that much that I actually want them on display, but easy to get hold of and use at the same time. So I'm going to just put everything together now. It's going to be hard finding which one goes with which, but I'm going to put them all together and then we will put them in the kitchen. And and I think it would, and we'll find a place somewhere where I can display them and also get to them easy as well. these pieces here, I'm literally going to keep these for spare. I won't be using those, so just keep them for spare. So I must say, yeah, I'm very happy with all of those. So I do have some hooks in my kitchen which I never ever use, and I actually thought this might be a great place to put all of the dustpan, the brushes, the mop heads and the duster, as well, as there is enough space to put everything here. So perfect, it's all out on display as well, so I don't have to keep going in and out of places to get it. It's just there and available, and it's also up and out of the way, and I think it looks great. So from Amazon, I also purchased the Dawn Platinum Plus, and it's the power wash, and this is the actual starter kit that I've got here, so that you get a refill with this. And yeah, I mean, they're saying that, you know, this isn't just for washing dishes, it does more than that. And I also got some Flash, and this is great, especially if you've got pets. It's actually plant seed based, which I really like. And yeah, also great if you've got dogs as well. Muddy paws and everything else, and it does say that, you know, it is 100% effective on pet odors. I also bought this cream cleaner because I just love the fragrance, the lemon zingy fragrance, great for cleaning sinks, bathrooms, tiles, all that sort of stuff, so I just love having that. I also bought this little device from Amazon. So this is a long handle dish brush, and it also comes with a 3-piece replacement heads, and they're all very, very different, which I'll show you in a moment. And it's like, and it's got a silicone kind of grip here, which is great for holding. I love the transparency that you can see the soap that you would put in here, and it's got a little button where you press just to squeeze that soap out, and away you go. And it's really nice in this lovely blue color. It actually has a little hook there, so you can hang it up. I've got little hooks next to my sink, so I'll be hanging it up there. These are the little heads that they come with, all different types, all for all different purposes of cleaning. So, you know, it's great for washing your cups, your knives, your plates, cutlery. Yeah, it's going to be great for even your pots and pans, because they've got the different heads, you see, so it works on all different types of surfaces and any type of hard cleaning. So I really liked this, and I like the fact that it's got the different heads that you can detach. Easy to do, very easy to put on and take off, and I love the fact that you can hang it for convenience. And yeah, so I've got this, and I think this is going to help me. You just literally unscrew the top here, fill it up with your dish soap, and away you go by pressing the little button that I've shown you in the middle there, and the soap just comes out, so easy to put on. And there you go. I really like this, so can't wait to use that. And that's another great, I can leave the link down below for the items that I find from the items that I purchased from Amazon. I will leave the links because I think they're really good. I also got this mop, again, the spray mop. Really, I love these, can't live without these. I love the fact that they give you 3 replaceable mats there, and also you get 2 bottles with this one. So that's really handy to have the 2 bottles. So I'm going to put this together, I'm going to fill it up, and I'm going to just give a demonstration on how easy this mop is, and yeah, and how popular these mops are now getting because of the lovely device that they've got, this mechanism of just spray and mop. I'm going to be using Dettol with the lavender and orange oils, a lovely scent, and we're going to clean the floors. And I recommend these. If you haven't got one of these, then I recommend, because it is very easy to do, especially now that there are a lot of people that have got the laminate floorings around the house, and for any wet areas, kitchens, bathrooms, easy on the back, you don't need to bend. So yeah, I really do recommend these magic mops that spray as you go. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed everything that I got from the range. I hope that you also enjoyed all the things I got from the Amazon. So I'm going to end this video here, and I hope to see you all again in another video.